market is changing, but are you ready? In San Diego, the real estate market is shifting, and decisions you make now will determine your success in 2025. Whether you're buying, selling, or just keeping an eye on the trends, the numbers from December tell a clear story. This market rewards preparation and strategy. Buyers may hope for lower rates or prices, and sellers often assume spring is the best time to list. But waiting could cost you more than you think. Here's the reality. Waiting often leads to missed opportunities. Rising interest rates are chipping away at affordability, while shrinking inventory means fewer options for buyers and tighter market for sellers. Spring may bring more activity, but it also comes with more competition. But the good news? December's market trends offer clear opportunities for those who are ready to adapt. It's not about rushing decisions or reaching out of fear. It's about staying informed and making moves with confidence. In this video, I'm going to break down all the numbers, challenge some common misconceptions, and show you how to navigate the current market to your advantage. If you've been watching my previous market update videos, you already know that San Diego offers a mixed bag of challenges and opportunities. But here's what the data from 2024 tells us about the current landscape. First up, median sales price. Single-family homes, the median sales price was $1,010,000, which was a 1.1% dip month over month, but still 6.9% higher year over year. For condos and townhomes, the median sales price was $660,000, which was a 1.5% dip month over month, but still up 1.5% compared to December 2023. What does this all mean? Prices aren't free falling despite rising interest rates and economic uncertainty. Annual growth showed the market's resilience. While the slight monthly decline presented opportunities for buyers to negotiate, sellers are still benefiting from long-term appreciation, especially those who own their home for several years. Next, we have days on market, and this metric indicates a shift in buyer behavior. For example, single-family homes, properties average 40 days on market, which is up 1.1% month over month and a significant 29% increase year over year. For condos and townhomes, these average around 41 days on the market, following a similar trend with a whopping 32.3% increase year over year. Homes are taking longer to sell, but this doesn't mean the market is slowing down entirely. Buyers have more time to make decisions, which means sellers must be more strategic with their pricing and presentation. If you overprice your home, you risk on it sitting on the market for longer, reducing its appeal. Next, we have inventory. Tight supply, but offering unique opportunities as well. For single-family homes, inventory fell to 2,002 active listings, a 24.8% drop month over month, though still 16.3% higher year over year. Condos and townhomes, active listings dropped to 1,387 homes listed, which is a 21.45% monthly decrease, but up 31.3% year over year. Inventory is tighter now than in previous months, which is normal for the holiday season. However, buyers benefit from the winter season's slower pace as fewer people are actively house hunting. Spring is going to bring more listings, but also more competition. Next, we have interest rates. Interest rates hit a low of 6.6% in mid-December, but climbed back up to 6.85% by the end of the year. Forecasts suggest they may continue rising early into 2025. Rising rates reduce buyers' purchasing power, making affordability a critical factor. For sellers, higher rates shrink the pool of qualified buyers, potentially leading to fewer offers and less money for your replacement property. Acting sooner rather than later can help protect your position, no matter which side of the aisle you're on. This market is all about strategy, not waiting. Buyers can leverage price adjustments and longer market times to negotiate better deals, while sellers can benefit from the tight inventory too if they position their listings correctly. Spring may bring more activity, also brings more competition. Before we go on to the next section, I'd love to offer you my free 5-day home buying course. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you land your dream home without the stress. In it, you'll learn how to understand the market like a pro, secure financing without all the headaches, and craft a winning offer without overpaying, not to mention more. So click the link below and sign up for my free 5-day home buying course. So now that we've unpacked those numbers, let's explore how you can use these trends to your advantage. The San Diego real estate market might be shifting, but that doesn't mean it's working against you. December's data shows clear opportunities for both buyers and sellers who approach the market strategically. Negotiation power is back, but for how long? For the first time in years, buyers are seeing room to negotiate. Longer market times give buyers a rare chance to negotiate. Sellers who invest in strategic pricing and presentation can still close deals quickly, avoiding stale listings. In previous years, bidding wars made these negotiations nearly impossible. Now buyers can take their time and craft offers that work for their budget. For sellers, this is where strategy comes in. Proper pricing and presentation are critical to attract serious offers. Homes that sit too long risks looking stale, so your advantage lies in creating a standout listing that appeals to motivated buyers. Tight inventory levels in December create unique advantages for sellers. Less competition means your listing has a higher chance of standing out, especially during the quieter winter months. Is it ideal? No, but if you do price it accordingly, you will get buyers that are motivated. For buyers, this market offers fewer options, but also way less competition. You're less likely to encounter bidding wars, which means more opportunities to secure a property at a fair price. The key is acting decisively before the spring rush increases both inventory and competition. Next, timing the market with interest rates. Rates ended December at 6.85%, and projections suggest they'll rise further in early 2025. This creates both urgency and opportunity. For buyers, locking in a rate now secures your budget and protects you from future increases. Even if rates drop later, refinancing remains an option. Acting now ensures you don't miss out on your window of opportunity. For sellers, higher rates mean fewer qualified buyers, but motivated buyers are still in the market. Listing your home before rates climb further gives you access to a stronger buying pool, but also be open to negotiation like rate buydowns. So the trends from December show a market in transition, and transitions create opportunities. For buyers, it's about negotiating and locking in affordability. For sellers, it's about standing out and attracting motivated buyers before competition increases and rates increase and destroy your buying pool. The market might feel uncertain, but those who act with purpose will thrive. Understanding these opportunities is just the first step, and here's how to act on them. December's trends made one thing clear: our market rewards preparation and strategy. Whether you're buying, selling, or planning your next move, the steps you take now will set you up for success in 2025. Here's your action plan for 2025. First up, for buyers. Step 1, ensure that you are in direct communication with your lender. As interest rates move all over the place, so does your pre-approval. Second, ensure that your pre-approval is fully underwritten. There's different levels to each pre-approval, and having a fully underwritten pre-approval, you know what the conditions of your loan are. If you don't, you're going to get sandblasted with conditions that you weren't expecting. And 3, try to act as fast as you can before springtime comes. As soon as spring hits, competition is going to go through the roof as it does every single year. For my sellers, step 1, being realistic with your outcome. If you are having to sell during the holiday season, expect your house to sit a little bit longer than normal. If you can push it to spring, you're going to have more competition, but also way more buyers, because realistically, who's thinking about buying during the holiday season? Number 2, plan your end state. Don't just think about selling your home. Think about what the next move is after selling your home. Are you going to buy an upgraded house? Are you downsizing? Plan the whole thing out. Don't fixate on just selling your home. Get an idea of what the proceeds are going to be. Start preparing so that way when your home gets to a certain level in escrow, past home inspection, now you can start getting ready to submit your contingent offers to move to the next home. If you're planning on moving out of state, some areas are less competitive, but in San Diego, you have to plan it out. And third, ensure that you interview multiple realtors. The person that you bought your home with might not be the right person to sell your home with because there are two different business strategies. Make sure that the person you are choosing to sell your house has a marketing strategy outside of just listing on MLS and holding a couple open homes. Right now, getting your home in front of as many eyeballs, or what we call exposure, directly correlates to the price your home will sell for and how fast it will sell for. So pay attention. If you have any questions on what questions you should be asking realtors, look down below and book a free blueprint session, and I'll break down everything for you. So that's all I have for you this week. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about how to buy a home, check out my 5-day home buying course. It's free and it'll teach you everything you need to know. Sellers, your course is still in the works, so stand by. It's coming for that. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week.